Hey y'all, it's me, Geo Mad Cat here in Beaufort, South Carolina at the new shopping center here. And I'm going to Hobby Lobby right here and see if they got any Halloween merch. Let's check it out. Stay with me. Check it out, y'all. Brand new Hobby Lobby here. And we got 5 below backs and Old Navy and Ross and TJ Maxx down there. Ain't got any fast food stuff out here yet, but this is Beaufort. Moving up. Check it out, guys. Got Christmas trees already up. It's the 12th of August. We're looking for Christmas lights. Here we go. Bicycle lights right here. On sale. Cool. Hey, it's me again. Okay. Hobby Lobby was a bust. They had no Halloween stuff there. Everything was like fall, Thanksgiving. It has some Christmas stuff. But let's go check out Home Goods. Alright, Home Goods got a little bit of Halloween stuff here. Ceramic cat here. Pretty cool. Witches. And over here you got some stuff. There's a cat there. It's pretty cool. Found this witch here. It's pretty cool. How much it is? There's another one over here. It's at $149. $149. So it works. Nope, don't work. Alright, here's a little bit of our Home Goods Halloween here. Got a haunted house up here. Some cool stuff here. Ghosts. Some stuff's down there. They got a whole little, oh, look at this. Pretty neat. Look how that works. But this is the stuff they got. This is Home Goods here in Beaufort, South Carolina. Got a nice Wednesday down there, or witch. Some neat stuff here. That's cute. That's pretty cool. Excuse me. Alright folks, check it out. I found kitchen towels. Halloween kitchen towels. You got some pumpkins and it got some Halloween stuff here. You even got some dry mats there for Halloween. And I got some Peanuts towels here. And I got a nice Mickey Mouse Happy Halloween kitchen towel there. Some nice designs here. That's a nice Mickey Mouse one there. And you got another one, Hocus Pocus with Snoopy on it. Got some more stuff down here. Check it out, they got those witch scratch house for a cat. Got some pet stuff here for Halloween. Pet throws right here. You got one with Snoopy on it. Another one with Snoopy on it. Pretty cool. pretty thick and kind of long too. Nice. I don't see the price on these. Okay, $16.99. Really nice. We got a cat. We got a Peanuts cat house here with Snoopy. That's orange. Pretty good size though. We got a spider web on the side here. Let's see how much it is. How much is this? It is $29.99. It's on clearance here. I don't know how much it is. That's like Peanuts cat house. You got your little ghost dog bed there. I don't think my dog's sleeping in it. But it is on sale. How much is it? Can't tell. It says 2 pieces. I don't know. There's other pieces. Probably the mat inside there. All right, check out on the checkout here. They got some stuff out here too for Halloween. So here. You also got this pink and white ghost stuff up here. Pretty cool. Get into pink and white Halloween. What is this thing? Oh, that's pretty heavy. Alright, check it out. I get this Halloween pet bed for Poppy. See how she like it? It was $16.99. I got it for $10. It's on sale. Good size for Poppy or Molly. Check it out. Hey, it's me, Geomatic again. Thanks for watching. That was my little vlog for Home Goods, which I started at Hobby Lobby down there. They didn't have any Halloween stuff, but Home Goods has a lot of Halloween stuff out. And it's August 12th, and I don't think it'll run out. They got a bunch of stuff still in boxes in the back. I don't know if they save it for next year or what. Again, check out Home Goods. This one's in Beaufort, South Carolina. They have a lot of good Halloween merch. They got a dog bed for my Poppy, and they got a lot of Halloween dog toys and candy in there. So check it out. And thanks for watching. Subscribe and like my channel. This is Geomatic. I'm out of here.